Have you ever cracked a rotten egg into a bowl full of eggs? The yolk breaks and spreads, the white changes color, an unpleasant smell fills the kitchen, and all the eggs you cracked earlier have to be thrown away. Today, I'm going to share with you an extremely simple tip for checking eggs, and the best part is, this method doesn't require any fancy tools. Place the egg on top of the flash so that the light can shine through the shell. Now take a close look. With a fresh egg, you'll see a clearly defined round yolk located near the center of the egg, with clear and uniform egg white, and almost no gaps or large air bubbles inside. Using this method, I selected 4 fresh eggs to start with. First of all, I want to ask, have you ever poached an egg only to have it fall apart? Oh no, the egg whites float all over the pot. Right now, I'm going to show you a smart way to poach eggs, so the egg whites come out round and beautiful, neatly encasing the yolk, which stays soft, smooth. To start, I put a pot on the stove, add about 1.5 liters of clean water. Next, I poured in a little vinegar and stirred it gently to blend everything together. Cover it and bring it to a boil. While waiting for the water to boil, I prepare 1 large bowl and 4 small bowls. I place a strainer over the mouth of the large bowl and crack a fresh egg into the strainer. I lift the strainer and shake it gently. The liquid egg white will drain into the large bowl. At this point, I pour the remaining egg from the strainer into one of the small bowls. I repeat this process with the remaining 3 eggs. Once the water in the pot is boiling, I reduce the heat to the lowest setting, then gently pour each bowl of egg mixture into the pot. While poaching, never let the water boil vigorously, as the waves will cause the eggs to break and lose their shape. Keeping the heat low allows the eggs to cook slowly, so the whites set softly while still cradling the yolks inside. As the whites begin to set, I cover the pot and simmer for about 1 minute to achieve a soft, creamy yolk, or 2 to 3 minutes if you prefer a firmer yolk that still retains its rich, creamy texture. When I open the lid, wow, the eggs look absolutely beautiful and appetizing. The whites have set to a soft, smooth consistency, perfectly cradling the golden, glossy yolks inside. They look absolutely perfect. This isn't just a delicious dish, it's also nutritious and suitable for the whole family, from children to adults. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Tip 2. Orange egg pudding. First, I prepare 3 fresh chicken eggs. Instead of cracking the eggs as usual, I gently tap the tip of each egg with a spoon to crack the shell. Then, I carefully peel away a small portion of the shell at the top to create an opening. Using a pair of sharp-tipped scissors, I trim the opening slightly wider before pouring the entire contents into a small bowl. I do the same with the remaining 2 eggs. Once done, I set the eggs aside, prepare a bowl of clean water, and thoroughly rinse the eggshells several times to completely remove any remaining egg white inside. Now, I place a pot on the stove, add about 1 liter of water. Drop the rinsed eggshells in to remove any odor and thoroughly clean the inside of the shells, making them safer and sturdier. While waiting, I prepare 3 large oranges to juice. I pour the orange juice into a pot, yielding about 300 to 350 milliliters of fresh orange juice. Add 4 tablespoons of flour, and 4 to 5 tablespoons of sugar. Use a whisk to stir thoroughly until the mixture is completely dissolved and there are no lumps. By now, the eggshells have finished soaking. I remove them to cool. To keep the eggshells upright, you can use small glasses and place each eggshell into one to keep them balanced. Next, I place the pot with the orange mixture on the stove, simmer over low heat, and stir constantly until the mixture begins to thicken into a soft, jelly-like consistency. Once the orange mixture has reached the desired consistency, I pour it into a measuring cup. Carefully fill each eggshell. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's great that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Let it cool for about 15 minutes. Then I put it in the refrigerator for about 4 to 5 hours so the orange jelly sets completely. Now, let's prepare the pudding together. I pour 800 milliliters of fresh milk into a pot, add 200 grams of sugar, and 2 milliliters of vanilla extract. Next, I place a sieve over the pot and sift in 3 tablespoons of flour and 2.5 tablespoons of cornstarch. Heat it over medium heat and stir constantly to prevent the mixture from burning on the bottom. When the mixture begins to thicken and becomes smooth and creamy like pudding, I turn off the heat immediately. I divide the pudding mixture among 4 glasses and gently shake each one to create a flat surface. I let them sit for about 5 to 7 minutes, which allows a thin film to form on the surface of the pudding. At this point, I take the orange jelly out of the refrigerator it has already set. To remove it, I simply peel off the eggshell-like membrane. Then, I place each piece of orange jelly on top of the pudding in the glasses. The finished dish features a soft, smooth layer of milk pudding on the bottom, combined with cool orange jelly on top. Which of these dishes do you like best? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. Your support is what motivates me to keep sharing more simple and healthy cooking tips every day. Goodbye, and see you in the next videos.